something. What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time that I post. So for today, this is day I lost count in quarantine, but I'm actually gonna go outside today because your girl has to do a lot of productive things. I am starting my spring cleaning, and first things first is to do laundry. So we're gonna do the sheets, we're gonna do a whole lot of stuff, and I wanted to take you guys along, kind of, you know, whenever I see somebody being productive, it makes me want to be productive. So I kind of want to pass that along to you guys while we're in quarantine. And whatnot. Now your girl's about to go do laundry, but before we dive on into the video, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Simply Soribel, Twitter Simply Soribel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I finished doing laundry. Now I'm about to fold these bad boys. It's a lot of clothes, and then we're gonna go into the process of swapping out the winter and the summer, spring. We're gonna do the swap-a-roo stuff, because by the time quarantine's over, I feel like the weather's gonna be cute, because it's gonna be probably, they're anticipating till the end of April. So yeah, join me as I fold my life away.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down.
A few moments later.
So I just realized something. I'm over here wasting my time folding when I'm gonna have to go through all of these items to figure out which ones I wanna get rid of and which ones I wanna keep. So what I'm about to do right now, which y'all might call me crazy, but it's kind of like following the Marie Kondo method, where you just put everything out there that you own, and then you say your goodbye, and then you separate the stuff that you want to keep and then what you want to give away, whether it is not, I'm gonna sell it, or donate it to a Goodwill. Obviously, I won't be like selling it right away due to everything that's going on, but you know, some coins will be coming out of this eventually. Yeah. So let's get everything on the bed. Wish me luck, guys.
I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October, it feels like summertime.
Okay, so for me not to overwhelm myself, I think I'm gonna just focus first on the laundry, and then after I separate like what I want still and what I don't want, then I'm gonna go into the drawers, go through those, and then make my way through all the way into the stuff that I have stored away. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this all in one day, so this might be like a 2-day project, just because it's approximately, let me see what time it is. It is approximately 5:30 p.m. and I still have to cook dinner, and I still want to make sure that my room is not super uber messy, because I do still have to work from home tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to make sure that I get through the laundry first, and then we're going to turn this into a weekly thing, you guys, because I don't know how Marie Kondo just like does everything like that. Like, that's crazy, but there's a method behind her madness. So let me continue to separate, and then I'll be talking to you guys in a bit.
I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
What is good? So it is officially the next day, and although this side right here, you know, looks nice, right? And then there's just Rob on a fixed bed, but no, I still have to separate my winter and fall from my spring and summer. So here is technically, I guess, day 2 of doing this project. positive note, this pile right here is everything that I'm gonna give away. And yeah, but now y'all get to just see me clean and shit. Yay! I hope this video makes sense when y'all watch it, because I low-key don't know what I'm doing.
From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know. From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know, girl. Why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite.
Okay, so I have officially separated the fall, winter, and the spring, summer. I might end up putting a little bit more things away and giving more stuff away, because I feel like it's so hard for me to detach, but I've officially gotten rid of stuff that I know for sure I don't want. So now I'm gonna kind of be putting these pieces in my mind, but I'm kind of thinking like if I should start with putting my clothes away first, like the clothes, like spring and summer clothes organized, or if I should just put this stuff away and then focus on. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna start putting my clothes that I'm gonna be wearing like now and in the summer. I'm gonna start putting that in the drawers, getting that organized, and then we're gonna go into that. Because that just includes just putting it away, whereas these, like, I have a lot of clothes here, so if I can put some stuff either more so towards the winter pile to put away or give away, then it'll just be easier. That's what we're about to do.
Girl and boy, they are lightweight. Don't me gon' love you the right way. Don't get look pretty like Barbie. Hey, I'm not talk dirty. Hey, I'ma keep you coming, babe. Won't you keep me coming, babe? I'ma make you mommy, babe. What you want from me, daddy? Hey, why me? Go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. And all I want to ask is why me? Go cry you, whatever. Wait, what on it?
So you guys saw everything that I did pretty much fast forwarded, but now everything is organized. We have my gym stuff here, and then we have the shirts. They're about to go on the dresser. We got the sweaters over there that I gotta organize. Rob's shirts. That's my rompers over there. Robert's pants. Robert's short. That's Alfred. He's not going anywhere. Then we got my pants here, and then we got my shorts there. But we're making progress. Right now we do have to go buy groceries before like everything closes, so I'll be back. It might be darker or whatever, but I just want to let y'all know what's going on, so we'll see y'all. I say we like as if y'all doing something. Y'all just, Robert's just sitting. I will be seeing you guys in a few. Okay, so I'm back from Target and doing groceries. Well, not really groceries. Okay, before I was frightened by my TV, we just came back from Target. I put everything away, and now I'm about to finish everything up. So pray for me. I really want to be done tonight.
Watch your mouth when you're talking to me. I show you respect, so you give it to me. Roll up in the low. Girl, I breathe me like GoPro. She want more money, more paper. Then come down to Jamaica. Then let me give you some flavor. Then girl, you sexy and you know that. Yeah, you my ex, you my throwback. Me no want a girl for give me beer back chat.
Hi guys, so it is now the next day. I tried to finish everything, but everything is pretty much like emptied out. All the clothes is packed up and whatnot. So now this is like the final thing that we're about to do. So it's lit. Now I guess we're gonna fast forward that again. I hope you guys have been enjoying the video. I know it's a lot of fast forwarding and whatnot, but I mean, it's just pretty much like a clean with me. Like I've been decluttering my closet stuff, all my clothes. So now we finally like brought it down. Like I'm very, very happy. So this is me putting clothes away.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Now we're together. Okay, oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you've ever could dream of. All you need is my time that I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you out, and let you know everything will be alright.
Okay, so now that you guys saw all that cleaning, hopefully it motivated you guys. This is what my room is looking like now.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
So as you guys may have seen, my room is now finally clean. I ain't gonna hold you guys. It took me about like 3 days, mainly because I was trying to like, oh wait, let me record myself clean. You guys didn't see me doing like the sweeping and the mopping and stuff just because I wanted to get it done because I was getting tired of the mess. But you know, your girl was mopping, sweeping, wiping down things and all that stuff, and that's what my room came out to look like. As you guys may have noticed, I do have like these bins. I don't really have a closet. I just have a clothing rack, and then I use my dresser and these cubes that I got from IKEA, and that's where we store our clothes. It does help me in regards to control my spending and also just kind of get rid of stuff that I do not wear, mainly because there was no space for anything. I had like 3 big old bags of clothes that would just sit there in my room, and now it is cleared out and I am so freaking happy. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I hope it motivated you guys to clean. Since we're quarantined, I thought that now would be the perfect time to actually do this deep cleaning. And again, not to sound like I've, you know, repetitive or whatever, by the time this thing is over, it's gonna be like May and the weather's gonna be absolutely nice. So right now, you know, if you guys have some things that you guys have been meaning to do, any projects, cleaning, getting rid of stuff that you don't wear, getting rid of things that you don't use, now is the perfect time. And on that note, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. I'm currently on the road to 1,000, so anybody that's willing to support truly, truly is appreciated. Now I'm gonna go eat some mashed potatoes, and I guess I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.